Glass is material that we use every day, from windows to drinking glasses, but have you wondered how it's made? Glass is actually made from a few simple ingredients: sand, soda ash, and limestone. First, the raw materials are mixed together in a furnace and heated to a temperature of around 1700 degrees Celsius. This melts the ingredients and forms a molten glass mixture. Next, the molten glass mixture is poured into molds and left to cool and solidify. The molds can be shaped in different ways depending on what the glass will be used for. For example, a mold for a wine glass will have a stem and a bowl-shaped top. Once the glass has solidified, it can be removed from the mold and undergo further processing, such as polishing or cutting. It can also be decorated with colors or patterns using techniques such as glass blowing or etching. And there you have it, a basic overview of how glass is made. It's a fascinating process that has been used for thousands of years, and it's amazing to think about all the different ways we use glass in our daily lives. Tell me in the comment section below what you'd like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.